Hi, welcome to the eGen Solutions YouTube channel where we help make your business social media just a little bit easier. Today I'm going to show you that cool new feature in Instagram that allows you to take music and put it to a photo. Yes, a photo, not a video. So if this sounds like something you want to do for your Instagram feed, let's get over to the app and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so here is how you add music to your photos. You're going to come up to the very top, and it's usually the same with iPhone and Android. For today, we are doing this on Android. If you click that plus at the very top where you see your across from your ID, you're going to come up with all the options that you can create. You want to select the second one, which says post. Select that, and of course it goes right into your gallery. Now this particular one, I already know that's the photo that I want, and I'm going to go through and do my normal thing. Perpetua, there we go. Do your whatever you want to do, your graphics, all that good stuff. And I'm going to simply go, you can now add music to all right, and you can go ahead, and here you can see right below all this add location, add music, and I particularly like this one. Okay, we can stop that. And here's the other thing. Because it's a photo, I don't think people are really going to want to stare at my face for 30 seconds. So I'm going to take that and change it down a little bit. So you can see it on the left down underneath the Good Vibes name. You've got 30 seconds. I'm going to tap that and I'm going to scroll down to maybe, I like that sweet spot of 5 to 6 seconds. Let's see how that goes. Perfect. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And of course we can add that to Facebook, or we can, do our other options. I like the advanced thing. A little tip for you, write an alt text. Now this is going to help Instagram know what this picture is about and can potentially help you get a little bit further in your organic reach on Instagram. So there's a few little things for you. You can boost the post. Oh, they are just making this so much easier and so much nicer. Of course, if you have a product, you can tap that and add your product as well. If you have a reminder like a sale or something going on, don't forget to add that to your post as well. So there you go. That is it. And there you have it, a way to add music to a photo. Now, if this helped you out, I appreciate a thumbs up. And of course, I love subscribers. And if you are a subscriber, I will see you again in the next video.